Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station for today's exciting unboxing and review of a Transcend Portable Hard Drive. Join me as I will uncover the feature and performance of this sleek and powerful premium storage solution. The Transcend Storage 25H3 portable hard drive is designed with high endurance in mind. The ruggedized case and anti-slip texture allow you to store and share wherever you go. The Storage 25H3 feature a 3-stage shock protection system that has passed US military transit drop test to fully protect your data. The 3-stage shock protection system includes a silicone rubber case, an internal shock absorbing suspension damper, and a reinforced hard casing. The first impression matter, and the 25H3 definitely makes a statement with its robust design and striking color scheme. It's built to withstand the demands of everyday use and offers ample space for your digital needs. Another standout feature of the 25H3 is its impressive storage capacity up to 4 terabytes, providing enough room for your files. Setting up Transcend Portable Hard Drive is a breeze. Simply connect it to your computer using the included USB cable and you are ready to go. No additional power source is required. Let's talk about connectivity speed. The 25H3 boasts a super speed USB 3.1 interface, ensuring blazing fast data transfer speeds. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 2.0, making it compatible with wide range of devices. By the way, the Storage 25H3 is equipped with a one-touch auto backup button that instantly backs up all your data with just one press. The button also enables you to reconnect the hard drive to your PC without the need to unplug and reinsert it. Now, I will test this Transcend portable hard drive on my PC and check its real-life read and write test. I am connecting it with my PC. Let's wait for a while for the initialization. Yes, this is it. Transcend also provide their exclusive Elite data management software, allowing you to efficiently backup, restore, and synchronize your data. You can even encrypt your files for adding security, giving you peace of mind. Now, I am checking the hard disk via hard disk Sentinel. This will tells me this hard drive has never been used. It only powers up 3 times before and it is brand new. I am now 100% sure. That's very good. Now I am copying a 14.5 gigabyte video file to the Transcend hard disk, and I can see that I am having a stable speed of 130 megabyte per second, which is as per specification. A hard disk can never achieve more than 150 megabyte speed. Now time to test read speed. I am now copying this file to my PC. Let me check the read speed. It is again around 130 megabyte. So the both read and write speed of this Transcend portable hard disk is similar, 130 megabyte, which is enough, I think. I am sure we don't need 2 Gbps type of speed here. In summary, the Transcend Portable Hard Drive 2TB 25H3 model is a fantastic choice for those seeking a reliable and high performance storage solution. With its impressive storage capacity, rugged build, and advanced feature, it's a valuable companion for professionals and everyday users. Stay organized, protected, and expand your digital horizons with Transcend 25H3. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, happy storage. Thank you.